Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term stream of consciousness. Introduction. Stream of consciousness is a fascinating literary technique that allows authors to delve into the unfiltered minds of their characters, capturing the uninterrupted flow of perceptions, thoughts, and emotions. Coined by William James in his seminal work Principles of Psychology, the term found its way into the realm of modern fiction, shaping narrative styles and revolutionizing storytelling. Early experiments. In the early days, authors like Samuel Richardson and Henry James experimented with long passages of introspection, giving readers glimpses into their characters' inner worlds. However, it was Edouard Dujardin's Les Lauriers Sans Coupes that made a bold attempt to present the story entirely through the protagonist's consciousness. This pioneering effort set the stage for stream of consciousness to flourish in the 1920s and beyond. Stream of consciousness versus interior monologue. The heart of stream of consciousness lies in its ability to convey the full spectrum and continuous flow of a character's mental process. While some critics use stream of consciousness interchangeably with interior monologue, it is more appropriate to distinguish between the two. Stream of consciousness encompasses all methods used to portray a character's consciousness, while interior monologue specifically presents consciousness as it occurs without authorial intervention. Immersive reading experience. Authors like James Joyce, Virginia Woolf, and William Faulkner mastered the art of stream of consciousness. Joyce's Ulysses showcased a wealth of devices, providing a vivid glimpse into Leopold Bloom's wandering thoughts during the stroll through Dublin. Meanwhile, Virginia Woolf employed stream of consciousness as the primary narrative mode in works like Mrs. Dalloway and To the Lighthouse, crafting richly layered stories through her characters' inner worlds. Celebrating human complexity. One of the remarkable features of stream of consciousness is its capacity to immerse readers in a character's mind, offering an inanimate understanding of their psyche. By breaking away from conventional narrative structures, authors open the door to a more immersive reading experience where the boundaries between character and reader blur. Furthermore, stream of consciousness acknowledges the complexity of human consciousness and the unpredictability of human thoughts and emotions. It celebrates the intricacies of the human mind, mirroring the labyrinth of the human experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, stream of consciousness is an influential narrative technique that has left an indelible mark on literature. From its origins in the works of early novelists to its refined use by modernist and postmodernist writers, it has transformed storytelling, granting readers access to the depths of characters' minds. As contemporary writers continue to draw inspiration from this technique, the legacy of stream of consciousness lives on, enriching the literary landscape with its unbridled exploration of the human psyche. So this was the discussion on the term stream of consciousness. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.